Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix YouTube slow loading and logging in Google Chrome. The first step here that we're going to do is first open your Chrome browser with your account, and then here click on the three dots at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you should have to select the settings right here at the bottom. Now on the left side, you'll find some options. So basically, click on the system right from here, and then go to use graphics acceleration when available. So make sure to disable this option here or toggle off, and then click on the relaunch button and it will reopen your Google Chrome. Now the next step here, go to your extensions, and then what you're going to do is disable all extra extensions. All right, so once done, go back to your settings, and then here go to About Chrome. So go here at the bottom left, and then make sure to update your Google Chrome. So you can see right here. And then once done, so you can see newly up-to-date and relaunch Chrome to finish updating. So make sure that you have this version and then click on the relaunch button right from here. And again, it will reopen your Google Chrome. Now, the next one here is go to privacy and security. So right from here, the third one, and then you just need to clear all browsing history. So you can uncheck all of the options except the browsing history. Right, so I'm going to uncheck these options here, and then leave this browsing history and select all time. And then what you're going to do is click on clear data. So once done here, go back to settings again, and then go to site settings right here at the bottom. And then you just have to find the YouTube and reset the permission. Once done here, you will now go to reset settings, click on this restore settings, and then click again the reset settings button. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.